2024 was a year to be proud of. Over the past 12 months, you've been relentless, showing up, getting it done, and done right. No matter what Mother Nature threw at you, rain, snow, heat waves, you faced it all head on and kept driving this company forward. As the year winds down, it's the perfect time to reflect on everything that we've achieved together. From January to December, you've moved mountains. Literally. From the rolling fields of Lancaster County to the rugged peaks of West Virginia and beyond. You've moved dirt by the ton. Through every challenge, you've shown up, boots muddy, ready to deliver construction done right. But it's not just about dirt and machines. You've built structures that matter, from massive industrial plants to community landmarks like churches and museums. It hasn't always been easy, but your grit and expertise never fail to shine. You've poured tilt-up walls, laid foundations, and revived icons that deserve a second life. Every beam set, every wall raised, every detail crafted is a testament to the unparalleled skill and craftsmanship that you bring to the job. As we head into this new year, take a moment to look back and appreciate everything you've accomplished in 2024. We see you, we're thankful for you, and we're beyond ready to take on 2025 with the same drive and determination.